turn off right here. Turn off right here. Please, 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 please. Yes! Thank you. Thank you very much. Uh-oh, car is misfiring a little bit. Oh, that's not good. We are misfiring pretty badly right now. What's up, everyone? Welcome back. We're back on the road. It's been a while since I've driven this road, but we have a drift event coming up, so this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna be able to drive this road for a while. So I figured to make a little POV driving video for you guys. Yeah, this car's setup's gonna have to change pretty soon. It's not gonna be very drivable at all on this road. With the drift alignment and a welded diff, it's just not safe really for this road. So I've been driving this road for the last year, slowly changing in the car. And I think after all this time, this is the perfect setup for this road. Super wide tires now, got 265s in the front, 285s in the rear. Upgraded brake calipers, got the 370 Nismo brakes. Obviously wider track width, big wing. What happened here? Oh, that's not good. Oh, looks like he misjudged his driveway there a little bit. So short-lived. Hello, can you pull over, please? I want to go fast. Pull over. You have a oh, thank you. This is actually where Tyler crashed right here, I think. Yep, right there. little sesh. Get a little run right there. There's S2000 in the other lane earlier. That was pretty cool. Inside, so maybe not. Old people don't really like it when we drive fast. Turn off right here. Turn off right here. Please, 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 please. Yes! Thank you. Thank you very much. So much. Park ranger right there. I'm gonna slow down, give him a little gap. Uh-oh, car is misfiring a little bit. Oh, that's not good. We are misfiring pretty badly right now. Oh, and he's signing that there's a cop, okay. Love bikers, appreciate the little head tap. Don't really know why it's misfiring though, that's weird. The air is really hot up here, so the air intake temps are not what they should be. I felt, you know, a little loss of power coming up. There's no code or anything, so we'll just have to figure it out. I have a code reader in my car, so we're good. Where's the cop at, bro? Misfiring right now, that's not good. Okay, so it's not the right code, it's weird. You know what, I might just check under my hood while I'm here. One thing I would think is maybe these Plano spacer bolts have backed off or something. All of these seem fine. That's old oil. It's not actively leaking out of there. It's weird. All these spider webs on the intake shows how much I drive this car. Oh, a little Lotus. Or is that the Tesla Roadster? I think that's the Tesla Roadster, actually. Oh, it is. Wow, you never see those. Man, that sucks. That wasn't really what I was hoping to have happen. As a little send-off for this road. This being the last time I'm gonna drive it for a long time. It's running fine right now, which is weird. Just misfired really bad earlier. Well, we got a couple good runs in. Oh, okay, thanks. Appreciate it. I'm not going fast, but thanks anyway. Probably should have secured my stuff in the back a little bit better. It's all flying around right now. I wonder if I like cracked a spark plug or something. These are brand new plugs, so they're not bad unless they've been damaged. I have been running it a lot higher, well not a lot, but like 500 RPM higher than the stock red line. Oh, I think that was Soren. That'd be kind of funny. He's got a G37 he's been working on, bringing it up 9 a lot. Who's calling me? Oh, that was Soren. That was you, wasn't it? What? Okay, yeah, I'm actually misfire right now, so I'm going really slow. Oh yeah, okay. So that BRC just flashed me too. Soren just called me. So yeah, there's gonna be some cops down there, which isn't great, because the car does attract a lot of attention. There's a cop right there. I had to go neutral. Silent mode. Hey, this car's actually EV. I might just coast to neutral for a bit too, to be honest. That's a weird spot for that cop to be turned off on. He's kind of half in the road. Alright, so I didn't have any luck finding anyone in the area with some tools I could borrow, so I'm just gonna try to make it home on the freeway. Keep it low RPM, low speed, and hopefully we can make it and figure it out what's going on back at my own shop. All right, so I was able to get the car back to the shop. We just pulled all the spark plugs. All of them on this side, perfectly fine. You can see they all look basically brand new because they are. The only thing is there's a little bit of oil on some on this side. Obviously there's a little spill here earlier. So I'm thinking maybe just a little bit of oil got on the spark plugs, caused it to misfire for a little bit, because on the way home it really wasn't that bad. It didn't misfire as badly as it did on the Touge, so I'm thinking maybe the extra oil coming through, maybe I do actually have some kind of leak here. Obviously there's oil around, but that's because this PCV was open at one point on startup, or we didn't tighten the PCV down all the way one time. So I guess it was preventative maintenance. I could do the, they make aluminum valve covers for the DEs, so maybe that'll be the next upgrade. But yeah, all these spark plugs are all good. None of the porcelain's cracked. All of them are gapped to spec. So like these still look very new. You want to say anything, Migs? Migs is here too. Migs has a supercharged Z. What are you doing?
What's up?
What are you doing?
Putting it back, putting it all back together.
Anyway, that's about all for this. A little bit of work to do to make it fully reliable, but other than that, it handled the road very well today. All right, see you on the next one.